Let's take a look outside, see what we got going. Off to our northwest, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch for northwest Ohio. That goes just until 5 o'clock, and they're expecting that one to expire on schedule. Have not seen much, if any, severe weather up there, although we did just have one severe thunderstorm warning up in extreme northwest Ohio. Now, as we look at live Doppler 10 radar, that's gone, but that's still pretty active. The frontal boundary off to the north is a warm front. The one that comes in this afternoon is a cold front. So this is all just kind of way ahead of it. Some of this is leftover stuff from last night. It's the stuff this afternoon that's developed where we have a better chance for severe weather as it heats up and that cold front begins to move in. Now, the stuff that was over the eastern part of Franklin County, you notice, is kind of cleared out, moving through a good chunk of Fairfield County from in and around Buckeye Lake, where you're probably getting a good light show this morning, down through Thornville, Pleasantville, as you go down, crossing really into Perry County over here. So that stuff is moving to the south and east. Then it tracks back to the north, still in Delaware County, where you probably got an early wake-up call there. Good light show, and heard it was very noisy up in Delaware County for a little bit this morning, and then continuing over to Knox, up into parts of Morrow, and the northern part, at least, of Licking County here. And then you go all the way up into Richland County from Mansfield south through Lexington, Belleville, and Butler, getting some pretty decent rain and some thunder and lightning mixed in. And then here's the stuff as you get coming out of Knox County, really going to move into the western part of Coshocton County, and then in the northern part of Licking County. So pretty active morning as this stuff from last night kind of begins to fall apart here, moving down to the southeast. Most of it has not been severe. Most of it this morning will stay off to our north and west, but then it redevelops this afternoon as that cold front moves into warm and sticky air. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has most of Ohio under a slight risk for severe weather. It extends across a good chunk of Pennsylvania, all of West Virginia, Kentucky, and Indiana. So the whole region, as that cold front works its way through, potentially could see some severe weather this afternoon, with the major threats being hail and also damaging winds. 66 this morning. A couple days ago, we saw 30s and 40s. We're nowhere in that vicinity right now. Outer belt from 62 at Grove City to 66 at Westerville. Everyone else kind of in between. 65 over at Groveport. Central Ohio readings also in the low to mid 60s, with Delaware at 61. As cool as we've gotten. 2 days ago, it was in the 30s. What a change. 63 at Mansfield, 64 at Findlay, even a 67 at Toledo, and a 68 at Cleveland. Contrast that with the 57 down at Cincinnati. So weather a little topsy-turvy in the state this morning. At the bus stop, cloudy and warm with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures mainly 60s, but a couple may drop into the 50s. And then we're looking at mid-70s at noon and upper 70s by 5, with showers and storms redeveloping in the afternoon and evening as the cold front works its way through, and then shifting down to the south and east. Regional picture, broad area of showers and storms in the early morning, kind of tapering off now as we get toward the coolest part of the morning, which isn't particularly cool. Here's noon, still have some moisture in the air, pop-ups a possibility. Into the afternoon, showers and storms, although our model doesn't really like the threat of severe weather here. It doesn't look too intense, but again, that possibility is there because the air is ripe. If it's unstable enough, those showers and storms will begin to go. As we go into the early morning tomorrow, we've got some clearing, and that should make for a couple of nice days. In fact, going into the Memorial Day weekend, things shaping up nicely. Showers and storms today with upper 70s. Clearing skies overnight tonight with a high tomorrow of about 73. Friday, another beautiful day with low 50s in the morning, a high in the low 70s. Mid 70s for Saturday, maybe creeping back into the 80s by Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday, very warm, but Memorial Day looking pretty good as well with a high around 84. Morning lows in the 50s. So a good stretch after we get through today.